Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday, September 15th. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute. So today I'm gonna just go through a regular, normal Sunday in my life, like a self-care routine, self-tanning, face masks. I'm gonna go to the gym, gonna whiten my teeth because they're pretty yellow. Gotta go to Target, get some groceries. I got a massage yesterday, best massage of my life. Highly recommend Dominic at the Montclair Hand and Stone location. I've never gotten a massage where I will go back to the same massage therapist. He's really amazing, and he's really knowledgeable about like the muscles. I highly recommend going to him. I was supposed to get blood work yesterday because if you don't follow me on my Kaylani Anastasi Fit account, you wouldn't know, but I went to the gastroenterologist. I have to get an endoscopy, I have to get blood work. So they think I am either celiac or just severe IBS. This is my first time vlogging at my grandma's house. So yeah, if you don't know, I'm living with my grandma till I like can find myself a place. But like, to be honest, I kind of like it here and I kind of don't want to find a place. So anyway, she left me to go on vacation for the next 4 days, and I was like so nervous at first. I'm like, big house all alone, but this lady has like 85 different friggin' security systems, so I'm fine. And a lot of you guys have asked me what I eat during the week for like meal prep and stuff, for like on the go, and I showed you guys a couple of meals, I think like 2 weeks ago or so. I'm gonna show you some more things you can meal prep today, and then I'm gonna make one of Chocolate Covered Katie's desserts or something to have in the house, because I love Chocolate Covered Katie and I love all of her desserts and stuff like that. So I'm just sipping my cold brew. It's 10:30. Probably gonna just chill for like another hour or so and then go to the gym. It's so weird. This is my first day off in like 8 days. I'm like, I don't know what to do with myself. I don't really want to hang out with anyone, so it takes me a lot to like try and socialize. So I worked till like midnight last night, so I'm pretty tired. Danielle Carolyn was saying in her vlog the other day how she just like thrives off of being busy, and I totally feel that. I honestly love being busy. First day off, gonna spend it alone. I could not think of a better Sunday. Except if it was raining, it would be 10 times better because I love rainy Sundays. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having for breakfast, so let's go do that. Also, I know it looks like granola with like cocaine on it, but I forgot to mention that when I went to the gastro, he recommended that I go on a low FODMAP diet, and I found this, oh my god, ignore the annoying clock, on Amanda's Kitchen. She's on Instagram, I'll link it down below. And it's 110 calories, 13 grams of protein, 3 grams of net carbs, and 15 grams of fiber. So these are like the macros. It's not sweet, so I just put a little bit of stevia powder on it, and then I'm just gonna add like oat milk and bananas and strawberries. So I'm just gonna eat this, and I'm catching up on YouTube videos. So it's about 1 o'clock now. I actually decided to meal prep something now, so I roasted some cauliflower and then some spinach as well, and I made an entire bag of the cauliflower gnocchi, my favorite, and then the Trader Joe's turkey meatballs. And then I added the Rayos. Everyone says it's pronounced that. You guys always correct me. I was gonna cook this. I forgot. I got this at Whole Foods last night. I left it in my car, so I forgot about this, but I don't know. I might cook this later. We'll see. I've just been catching up on emails and stuff like that. So here is just an easy meal prepped meal you can keep in the fridge. I'm just probably going to separate this into 3 portions. You get your veggies, your protein, and your starches. This is a really great recipe that you can just take in a Tupperware and eat it either cold or hot. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just left the gym and I left. You might think this is a really lame excuse, because it probably is. First of all, I was just gonna do an active rest day. I just wanted to get steps in, but I really wasn't gonna do anything crazy anyway. I worked out hard all week. Sunday's usually a rest day, but I can't ever go to the gyms on Tuesdays unless I want to wake up the crack of dawn. I don't want to do that. So Tuesdays are like now my days off from the gym, so I just always want to do something active. I went on the stairs for like 15 minutes, and then I walked on the treadmill on an incline for like 20 minutes. So I just did a little bit of cardio, but I'm like really allergic to some laundry detergents. I have to use like a sensitive skin one. So my grandma's been doing my laundry, so I don't know what kind of detergent she uses. And just now at the gym, I have on like really tight leggings. They're like the Adidas ones that match the track jacket. And I was just sitting there itching myself, and I was like, I probably look so crazy. I was like, I just need to leave this gym because I'm literally so itchy. But I am going to Target. I'm about to pull in. So I'm gonna make this like super healthy pumpkin pie. She says the entire pie is less calories than one single regular pie slice. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out, and since I have to go gluten-free, I can't make my breakfast sandwich every day anymore with Ezekiel bread. So just got some things to cook with. This I am so freaking excited to try. I cannot even believe that they had a dairy-free pumpkin pie. And I'm gonna put this on the pie and eat it for dessert. I'm so excited. And then this one, no sugar added. We love that pumpkin spice. I'm excited to try this too. I'm gonna try this after I eat this. So I just heated up what I cooked before to eat for lunch, even though it's 3:30. Hi guys. Okay, let's focus. I just put on this face mask. Also drinking the new Califia creamer I got. So for my face mask, I'm using, if it wants to focus, I can't even press it with my nose right now because I got freaking stuff on my nose, but anyway. Okay, so this is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I really, really like this. I've used it probably like 5 or so times now maybe. I got this in my summer FabFitFun box. I will link this down below as usual. And then obviously I'm about to self-tan, which I'm not gonna show. So next clip you see me, I will be a lot tanner in. You guys know that I have used Bondi Sands forever now. I use the Ultra Dark, I just use the mitt, and I do one coat all over and let it sit for like 6 to 8 hours. So obviously I'm not gonna show that because I have to be naked. So I also forgot the eggs for the quiche. So I'm not making that tonight. I'm gonna go tomorrow and do it. So I'll see you when I'm 10. So I just self-tanned. My face looks really red because I'm breaking out. I got my eyebrows started yesterday. I don't like the way that lady did them, but like, why is my face so red? Anyway, I get really, really bad like joint pain. I have horrible, horrible knees. I just used this. My knees hurt really, really bad after the gym, and I used CBD for the first time. This is severe, and my knees feel amazing. This is amazing. So I would recommend if you ever have joint pain, because this sucks. And like the joint pain I get, that's another reason why they think I could have celiac. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I also just read that it said you have to let it sit for 6 hours before you eat it, which is kind of sad, which means I can't eat it tonight because it's 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna put this in and start editing this video. So why is it so dark in here? I can't vlog in this house, you guys. I'm sorry. I have to write a treatment and a script for one of my classes. So it's 6 o'clock now, and I just imported some footage. So I'm actually gonna go run to the grocery store right now and get some eggs to make this quiche, because I'm like, you know what? I got time. I might as well do it. I'll probably spend like an hour and a half doing homework and stuff like that, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Wow, this lighting just ain't cute. Okay, so it is the next day. It's Monday. I look a lot different. I just got back from work. It's 7:30. I just wanted to like recap because the pumpkin pie was amazing. By the time this vlog is up, you guys will see the Instagram that I posted on my Kaylani Anastasi Fit account with like the pumpkin pie and the halo top. And the quiche turned out really good too. So I'll show you guys. Wow, honestly, fridge lighting though, like I made 2. I ate 1 already. They came out really, really thin. So I had half of one for dinner last night and then another half for breakfast this morning. Lots of protein. The whole gluten-free, dairy-free thing it's a struggle. But I just want to come on here and end this video. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.